Welcome to another episode of One Pan in a Van. What's the plan? The plan today is to make broccoli sausage pasta. For our ingredients, we have Italian sausage. There are 5 sausages in this package and I'm probably only going to use 2. I'm going to remove them from the skin, break up the meat, cook it like ground beef, and measure out 1.5 cups. So however many sausages that amounts to. We also have 2¼ cups penne, although my recipe says 2.5. I have 2¼ and that's close enough. I've got 1.5 cups of broccoli, heavy cream, parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup of butter, salt and pepper, and some garlic spice that I have on hand. I've gone ahead and cooked the sausage and strained off the fat. It's just going to sit here until I'm ready for it. And I've now got the pasta in an equal amount of water. And I'm just going to add my seasonings to that. I have about 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and about 1/4 teaspoon of this garlic plus spice mixture. We just need to boil the pasta for about 7 to 10 minutes. How you doing there, Maxwell? How you doing, Maxwell? You good boy? Yeah, you're a good boy. The pasta has cooked quite a bit, and I'm just adding the 1.5 cups of broccoli. And I need 1 cup of cream, and that's going to cook for another 5 minutes. Okay, that's looking really good. So now I'm going to add the remaining ingredients, being the sausage, 1.5 cups, so same amount as the broccoli, 1/2 cup of the parmesan cheese, and 1/4 cup of butter. So that just needs to cook 1 or 2 minutes. That is looking really delicious. And there we have it, broccoli sausage pasta. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when I post another episode of One Pan in a Van. What's the plan?